Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video to invite you to contact me via the email address you're going to see above if you believe that you may have been um, the victim of financial fraud in a legal court matter, whether that is civil or criminal. I invite you to send me some details about your case to have them reviewed. The information will be kept confidential between me and my team. What I'm offering is not legal advice. It is also not therapy for what you have endured through the legal system. I am strictly offering you the opportunity to look at the financials in your case to determine whether or not I believe that you may have been the victim of financial fraud in your case. The details that need to be included in the email to me are your case number or case numbers, the state of origin of your case, 2 lines at maximum of basically just a brief synopsis of the type of case that you're having me review. You also need to list in the email the law firm or law firms that represented you in this matter, charges that were levied against you, if any, and any financial penalties levied against you if that was part of your proceedings. I will also need to see any billing or fee agreements that you have between you and any legal representation that you had, whether it was of your own volition and you hired someone or whether it was appointed. If there were any cost involved, that needs to be stated in there as well. And in the specific case, if your representation was court appointed, you should be able to contact the clerk's office for the details of how and what was paid to anybody involved in your legal proceeding. I also invite you to provide a list of people involved in your proceeding, but please try to keep these emails concise. Don't get into too much detail about the personal aspects of the case unless it is pertinent to the financials. I would like a chance to review that to see if it is something that we might be able to help you with to recoup some of your financial losses in that process. And this is strictly an opportunity to review the information of your case to determine whether or not I believe and my team believes that you were potentially the victim of financial fraud during those proceedings. And if so, then we will go through the next steps to try to assist you in recouping some of those or potentially all of the fraudulent losses that you sustained through those proceedings. Obviously, this is something that we hope never happens to us, but in my experience and in my conversations with numerous people, this has happened a whole lot more than it should. So I want to provide you with the opportunity to dig a little deeper into the billing to see whether or not I spot any irregularities that can potentially be utilized to recoup some of the financial costs that you sustained during those proceedings. We'll do our best to determine whether or not those were legitimate or whether or not you were taken advantage of by attorneys and other people involved in that proceeding. And then we will do our best to recoup those losses for you. I look forward to speaking with you about your case. Have a great weekend.